In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete contact in Smartsheet. If you have contacts saved in Smartsheet and you no longer need one, deleting it is a quick and clean way to keep your list organized. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the exact clicks needed, and I will also point out what to look for as you move through the interface. First, you will start by opening Smartsheet and looking at the bottom left corner of the screen. There you should find your profile/company account icon. Click that icon. This menu is where Smartsheet places personal and account-related options, so it is the correct starting point for managing your contacts. Take a moment to make sure you are clicking the icon in the bottom left area, not a button elsewhere on the page. Once you click the profile or account icon, you should see a menu appear. Next, you will click My Smartsheet Contacts. This option takes you directly to the section where your contacts are stored and managed. It matters to choose this exact menu item because it brings you to the correct page for contact deletion rather than a general settings area. After you select My Smartsheet Contacts, the Contacts page should load. You will now be able to view your list of contacts. Depending on your account layout and screen size, the page may show contact details in a table or a structured list. Spend a second confirming that you are indeed on the Contacts Management page. You want to make sure you are viewing the contacts list that you intend to edit. Now you are ready to locate the specific contact actions. In the instructions, the next step is to click the 3 button. On the screen, this is typically represented by a small button with 3 dots or another more option-style icon, often associated with each contact entry. Click the 3 button next to the contact you want to remove. If you have multiple contacts, make sure you choose the Options menu for the correct one, since this controls the actions available for that particular contact. After you click the 3 button, a small menu should open. In that menu, you will click Delete Contact. This is the action that removes the selected contact from Smartsheet. Be sure to select Delete Contact rather than any other option that might be related to editing, viewing, or sharing. This step is important because it triggers the deletion process. Depending on your Smartsheet interface, you may see a confirmation prompt after selecting Delete. If a prompt appears, follow through with the confirmation to complete the deletion. If you are not prompted, then the contact may be removed immediately, and you can confirm by checking that the contact no longer appears in your list. Once the deletion is complete, take a quick moment to review your contacts list again. This helps you verify that the contact is gone and that everything is updated as expected. If the contact still appears, you may need to repeat the same more options and delete steps for the correct entry, since each contact has its own actions menu. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.